Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here at Echo and Zan's Chinese class, we're going to teach you how to speak basic Chinese.
大家好，欢迎来到赞和我的中文课堂。在这个 YouTube 频道里面，我们会给大家分享一些日常的中国用语，欢迎大家订阅我们的频道。Today I will show you 5 ways to say hello in Chinese. The first way is the most common way, like you always heard about that. 你好。When you say one person, you say 你好。This way, people usually respond the same way. They will say 你好。The second way is to say hello to many people. Like in the beginning, I say, hello everyone. 大家好。你们好。大家 means all of you. 你们 means everyone. 大家好。你们好。The third way is like you ask somebody, how are you? 你好吗？你好吗？吗 means question. You ask somebody, how are you? So somebody will respond like, I'm good. I'm very good. So you say, 你好吗？你好吗？你好吗？ Next way is ask the third person, like when you meet your friend, but you want to know how about his friend, or how about his family, how about her family, you will ask, 你的家人好吗？ How about your family? 你的家人好吗？他们好吗？他们 means they. So your friends will respond, they are very good. They are fine. The last way is like you meet your old friend. We usually say English like, long time no see, how are you? Long time no see, I miss you. So in Chinese, we say, 好久不见，你怎么样? Or 好久不见，你好吗？好久不见 means long time no see. 好久不见，你好吗？好久不见，我很想念你。好久不见，你怎么样？ So let's review. First way, we say hello to one person. 你好。你好。Usually they will respond, 你好, the same words. The second way, you ask like a question, 你好吗? They will respond like, 我很好. The third way, you ask like your friend's family, the third person, 你的家人好吗? 你的哥哥好吗？你的姐姐怎么样？ Usually they will respond, 他很好，我的哥哥很好 or 他们很好 means my family is very good. 他们很好 Or you ask the third person, hey, how about Jenny? How about your sister? How is your sister? Hi, how's your sister? Hey, 你的姐姐好吗？她很好。我的姐姐很好。你学会了吗？ Now it's time to practice. The first way, say hi to one person. Hey, 你好，赞。
你好，阿哥。
This is the first way to say hi to one person. Just say 你好，你好。If you want to say many people, how to say hi to many people. 你可以给大家问候一下吗？
可以。大家好，你们好。
对，我们可以说大家好，也可以说你们好。This way to say hi to many people, to everyone. So next way we will say hi to the third person. It's like he or she is not here. Look. 赞，你的爸爸好吗？
我的爸爸好，
你的妈妈好吗？
他很好。
OK， 所以我们如果说要 say hi to third person, we can say 他好吗？你的朋友好吗？那么有时候我们见到我们的老朋友 ，sometimes when you meet your old friend, you don't say 你好，你好吗？我们通常这样说：嘿，赞，好久不见，你怎么样？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好。So this way means a long time no see. 好久不见，你好吗？ Or we can say 好久不见，你怎么样？另外一个方法，我们第一个学的是你好。It's like just say hi, hello. You don't need to answer, right? Look, 你好，
你好。
We don't answer. But another way we can say 赞，你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好。So this way, like, how are you? So somebody responds like, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm very good. So how about you? How are you? We say two ways. 一个是你好 so he will respond 你好 the same way. If I ask him 你好吗 it's like a question. He will answer me 我很好。你学会了吗？这就是今天我们要给大家分享的内容。谢谢你的观看。
Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell and give us a like. Thank you. Bye.
不要忘记订阅我们的频道，记得摁下旁边的小铃铛，并给我们点赞。谢谢你的收看，再见。
再见。Bye.
Bye. If you have any question, just leave the message in comment. See you next time. 再见。